Welcome. In front of me is a SONY Xperia 5, and today I'll show you how to insert SIM and SD card into the device. So to get started, I'm just going to lock the device so I don't touch the screen. And from here you have the tray on the left side, on the upper side, and it's a toolless one, so you can just kind of pull it out without any problem. And from here you have access to two trays, so you have the SIM tray. Gonna start with this one. So you place the card like so, with the cutout on the top right corner, and then the SD card like so. And well, the card just fell out, so there we go. So you place it like this, as you can see. Make sure that it's laying flush on the tray, as these ones are. And then while holding it securely, because well, the card seems to be falling out, you want to slide it back into the device. So I'm just going to grab the device and slide it back in like so. And you can see it gives you an instant message that it's restarting. So that's due to the SIM card. So let's wait for that. And as you can see, now it's back on, and the first thing you can see is the pin for the SIM card. So I'm just gonna confirm that by putting it in. And then you also see the message for the SD card. So as you clearly see, both of them are working just fine. And that is how you would insert SIM and SD card into this device. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.